This is the first step in creating canned squid, a massive vessel sailing through the night toward the deep ocean fishing grounds. Night fishing for squid requires immense light. As the floodlights power on, the hunt begins deep in the ocean waters. To gather the sheer volume needed for canning, fishing boats use bright lights to attract massive swarms of squid to the surface at night. Here, under the floodlights, the massive nets, heavy with thousands of pounds of squid, are hauled aboard. It's the first step in the canning process. Time is critical. The crew works with urgent precision, rapidly sorting the fresh catch by size before it moves to the canning line. These chilling bins maintain a precise temperature, with the icy mixture rapidly preserving the squid for transport to the factory. Shelves as the final canned product.
Receiving bay.
Utilizing a penetrometer probe, the technician checks the mantle firmness, ensuring the squid meets our strict quality standards before canning.
The process begins here at the weighing station, where fresh squid are rapidly sorted and weighed before moving down the line for canning.
Next, the squid enter the automated cleaning tunnel. Specialized brushes and powerful water jets work in.
Here on the trimming line, skilled hands meticulously remove the unwanted parts before the squid moves on for canning.
Next, the squid enter the blanching tunnels, where boiling water begins the transformation process before they are canned. Inside the mega factory, high-speed slicing machines rapidly transform the squid into uniform rings with absolute precision.
After cleaning, the squid rings are precisely cut and moved along the conveyor belt towards the pre-cooking inspection phase.
The hot sauce undergoes a precise filtration process, cascading through these fine mesh screens for ultimate refinement.
The next step in the process is the sauce dosing machine, ensuring every can of squid is filled with the perfect amount of sauce before sealing.
This critical step uses precisely timed steam injection to eliminate air, guaranteeing product safety and extending shelf life.
Next, the squid moves into the retort sterilizer. Here, intense bursts of high-pressure steam rapidly
Retort cycle 4 is stable.
Temperatures are locked in.
Confirmed. Moving to the next phase.
Inside the cooling tunnel, cascading water sprays rapidly cool the freshly sealed cans, generating steam as temperatures quickly normalize. The cartons move rapidly down the conveyor belt, where automated machinery applies tape with precise pressure, completing the final enclosure.
Finally, the canned squid products are secured using a stretch wrapping machine, ensuring they are protected and ready for shipment.
This massive staging area represents the culmination of the night's work, with thousands of cans ready for transfer to the warehouse. Inside the mega factory warehouse, forklifts efficiently move the finished pallets of canned seafood to storage.
Here in the outbound staging zone, thousands of pallets of canned squid are queued, showcasing the massive volume ready for shipment.
Inside the mega factory, pallets are loaded with surgical precision into containers for global export.
Operating through the night, these mega factories and ports are crucial for processing and distributing the global supply of canned squid.
From the deep ocean fishing grounds, the squid catch begins its long transit aboard these vessels, heading towards the mega factories. After a long night of fishing, the vessel returns to the international harbor, ready to unload its catch for the mega factories.
The regional distribution hub. This is where the canned squid begins the final leg of its journey, efficiently sorted for redistribution.
In the fulfillment center, the high-speed breakdown line utilizes robotic cutting tools to swiftly open the cartons of canned squid for distribution.
Ensuring the canned squid reaches the distribution docks accurately and efficiently.
From the mega factory floor, the canned squid arrives here at the Retail Logistics Center, carefully handled before reaching the consumer.
The journey culminates here. After processing in the mega factories, the canned squid is efficiently distributed and stocked.
Night fishing provides the raw squid, which are then processed in mega factories before reaching these shelves as the final canned product. Fresh from the mega factories, this canned squid began its life under the lights of night fishing boats.
And so the journey completes. From the boats to the factory, the final step is bringing this delicacy to the dining table.